self-care. I want to tint my eyebrow. I also want to do some face mask. I want to exfoliate my face. But first I thought, you know what, let me do my eyebrow because, yeah. Excuse this on my neck. I'm having some heat rash, so I rub this soap for heat rash on it. So yeah, but this is my eyebrow. I have nothing on it. You know, the eyebrows are not sisters, they are distant cousin. That's what my eyebrows are. So I like to just pluck. When my eyebrow is good, then I know for sure I'm okay. So it does have like some hairs that grow along. Okay. Okay. I just have some few hair that are growing. I like to do these things because when you do it, you have this clean shape. So you guys can see. I don't do anything to the top, actually. I don't plug. Maybe once in a while, I'll go with some shave and I'll shave, but I don't do much. I focus more on the bottom because when the bottom is good, then the eyebrow is okay. So this is it. And the brow tint I'm using is extremely affordable. This is what I'm using, black. So I'm gonna mix it very quickly. It's so simple to use. You have a container, and you have the brow, and you have the activator. So if I'm ready to go out, I really don't have to go through the hustle of doing much to my eyebrow. Just a little bit go a long way because it's just your eyebrow. You don't really need that much. Okay, just like to put it back in the case. Okay, put it back. And then you also got this mini brush where you can mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. Excuse the noise, the kids are home. It's weekend, so I don't really have much to do this weekend, so therefore I just want to take care of myself, just get all my beauty stuff ready so that if eventually during the week I'm ready to go out, I don't have much. And also if I'm not going out, when I'm going to work during the week, I don't have to worry about my eyebrow. See, it's very easy. Put it here in the sink. I have this brush special just for my eyebrow. This one is just specially in this bathroom just to do my eyebrow. Okay, just gonna take that and I'm just going to follow. Don't worry if you make any mess, you clean it up. I have water stuff. What is water stuff in English? The thing you use to clean your ears. Okay, the English word is just not coming out right now. You just follow the natural shape. I like to leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes. So I really want it to be a bit darker. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, but you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm this is what I do. And for the part that is a bit messy, take my water stuff. This is what we do, okay? This is what I do behind closed doors. So, and I just like shape it nice, you see? Just just make it a little bit wet. And then we just clean this stuff. This is what I do. I'm not gonna come here and do anything special. Gonna soak it with my spit. Most people be like, oh, that's gross, but that's what I do behind cameras. So there's no need to come here and be doing fancy. This is just what I do. And I like to bring it. I don't have like a lot of hair at the front, so it might look dark right now, but trust me, it's not gonna be dark like that. Okay, this side is the side I want to shape. You can always go in later and clean it up. Okay, as you guys can see, so now I'm gonna do the rest so that the video doesn't get that long. Okay, don't let it scare you. Wait for the finished result. Don't let it scare you, because it scares me too. Every time I do it, it scares me too. But I'm patiently waiting for the finished result. See how dark it is? Don't let it scare you. Don't let it scare you. And the shape, don't let it scare you. Don't. My eyebrows are not sisters. They are cousins. They are cousin neighbors. They are distant cousin neighbors. Don't let it scare you. Wait for the finished result. Wait for the finished result, okay? Just wait. When I wash it off, you can judge. Don't judge right now. If you judge right now, like, yo, you judging too quick. Yeah, it scares me too. It scares me too. Every time I do this thing, it just scares me. It scares me too, because I'm like, damn. But every time I do it, when I take it off, I'm like, yes, that is what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, this is it. I'm gonna let it to season up. Yeah, it is what it is. Stay tuned, and I'm back to show you guys the finished result, okay? It's time to take this thing off. It has been there for way too long. And let's just wipe it off, okay? Okay? Just wipe. Oh, it's black. It is very dark, but I don't mind. Just make sure you wipe it up very good. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. And it's going to fade a little bit later, but tell me this is not good. Like, I can literally, you see why I say don't worry about this part? Because I don't have a lot of hair, so it's going to like be a little bit lighter. You see, I can actually go out like this without no makeup and just have my hair done. Okay? There's a reason why I like to do these things, because it just keeps me ready without the stress. And even when I'm about to do my makeup, I don't have to go through the hustle of taking 30 minutes to do my eyebrow, because sometimes the eyebrow can just play games with me. Sometimes I do my eyebrow in less than 5 minutes and I just get it done. And sometimes I'm spending like 20 to 30 minutes because I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the shape. Sometimes I'm just trying so hard to make sure I get it to look alike, even though they're a distance cousin. I try my best to get it to look alike. Ha! And this thing costs €2. $2.99. Yeah. $2.99. $1.99, sorry. See? $1.99 costs only €2 for this thing. And I can use it many times, as much as I want, and you have a lot in there. Okay, so I do this like at least once every 2 weeks, depending on how I excessively wash my face. But I can do this at least once in every 2 or 3 weeks. Like, this is the finished result. Like, it's not coming out anymore. Nothing is coming out anymore, so you guys can see. Everything is, nothing is coming out anymore. It's, okay, now I go in with the white thing. With the white, let's get it off. Okay. Tell me I don't look cute. Tell me I don't look cute. So if even if I don't feel like doing my makeup, I can just, my eyebrow is looking good and it's not looking bad. Okay, don't come and be telling me it's looking bad. It's not looking bad. I could just brush it with some, the got to be brow gels, the new one. It's not a new one, but you know what I'm talking about. I can just brush it and do a lip gloss and go my natural hair, or just put a wig on and I'm ready to go. So yeah, this is it. This is the brow. It looks good. It's good. Okay. And if I want to do my makeup, I don't really need to do it. Just maybe a little bit, because this side is like just a little bit. I don't really need to do. And I feel like the shape is not really bad. They don't really look alike exactly. Like I said, they are they're distance causing, but it's okay. So yeah, these are beauty maintenance that you don't need to spend a lot of money on, and you don't need to be rich to look cute. Because I like looking good. I like looking good. Okay.